Hello, welcome to the channel. Recycling pallets can be a second chance, or utility, to a piece of wood that is actually useful, and they look beautiful, very relaxed and rustic in anyone's home. And today we will have the perfect composition of 15 home offices made with pallets. Your visit brings us a lot of joy, knowing that you have been faithful in your choices. Enjoy and activate Tinker Bell so you don't miss our news. Pallets are wild in decor. They can take on a variety of functions. You can turn them into cabinets, or niches, for your office, as they are easy to get, versatile and uncluttered. Just create according to your inspiration, and it can be an excellent support for your desk. In addition, it provides excellent support for your drawers, being a comfortable and light working environment. Niches are always on the rise, and never go out of style. Whether built-in or hanging on the wall are great ways to keep everything organized and still innovate in your office decor. Want something else? How about a table with a container to store materials? Because it makes all your office more charming and functional. Vase of flowers can be welcome in the office, leaving the environment more harmonious and delicate. It can be a vase with a single flower or a perfect composition, made with palette. In this decoration we have a fresh nature and rusticity, all in perfect harmony. In the home office, palettes are true chameleons. They can make a bookcase, a niche, or an elegant table. In this composition the toothpicks are colored to give more light and life in your office. Color is your choice, beauty is on us, isn't it? One thing is for sure, your office can be a cozy corner of productive work, when you are happy with it and with the decor that is already a reality in everyone's home, because the pallet has become a recycling trend, very good for our planet. Yes, a good idea is to create a work table, with a plank of wood, glass, metal. Simplicity is enough to give an air very cozy office, to compose a harmonious environment with palettes. But you can customize it in the color you want, creating niches to beautify and organize it all. It will depend on your personal taste. I'll say goodbye and leave other ideas for you. A hug for you and until our next video.